What's up, guys? Welcome to Netherspace. My name is Tom, and today is the day of the Mother's Day feast. Happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful ladies out there who are moms. This video is for you. So today, I got a really special dinner planned for you guys, and we're rolling in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, for Mother's Day, we're going to make a chocolate mayonnaise cake. Starting off with the ingredients first. First, we got chocolate chips, heavy whipping cream, water, vanilla. Got our mixer, blackberries, some cocoa, salt, Crisco, some mayonnaise, pans, baking soda, flour, and sugar. All right, let's get this started. First up, make sure you preset the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to start off by greasing the pans, but wait, we don't have paper towels. Don't worry, guys, I got you covered. We got napkins. Now that we got that figured out, add your Crisco. Then add about a tablespoon of flour to each pan. Then you want to evenly spread the flour across the pan. Now we're going to make our homemade cake mix. Add 2 cups of flour. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 3 tablespoons of cocoa mix. Then sift. Then add your mayo to the mixing bowl. Add a cup of water. A few drops of vanilla. Then mix it on low to medium. While you're mixing, slowly add a cup of sugar. And mix it some more. From time to time, make sure you get the mix off the sides. Evenly add it to the pans. Then add the cakes into the oven. Let them cook for 30 minutes. Take the cakes out of the oven. And let them cool. After dessert comes dinner. We got our ingredients here. We got our carrots, our spuds, broccoli, salad, onions, mushrooms, got our salt and pepper, got our pepper and mushroom mix here, and the main course, the one, the only, prime rib. Our first step is to prepare the prime rib. Make sure you cover it with salt, then turn it around, do the other side, then do the same with the pepper, then add it to the pan. Listen to that sizzle, guys. Also, just wanted to remind you to do it 2 minutes on each side. After 2 minutes, flip it over to the other side and let it brown. Then you leave it in the oven until the internal temperature is 135. Now it's time to make the vegetables. First we add the carrots. Now that we let this cook for 10 minutes, add your potatoes. Then add the onions. After another 10 minutes, add the mushroom. While we're cooking everything else, we do our ganache for the cake. Make sure you stir it frequently. All you need to make a ganache is heavy whipping cream, cooking chocolate, and blackberry brandy. Now that the ganache is ready, slowly add it to the cake. After you let it cool for a bit, start adding the berries. Well, there you have it, guys. Mother's Day feast. Got our prime rib, our broccoli, got our vegetables, got some garlic bread, salad, and finally, got the chocolate ganache cake. All right, Steve, what'd you think of the meal?
Stupendous! Unbelievable! Okay. I can't believe it. Prime rib, chocolate ganache, holy cow!
All right, Mr. Miner.
It was a triumph, Tom. It was wonderful. The prime rib was perfect. The ganache cake with the blackberry filling was wonderful. We had 2 really nice wines, one from Australia, one from Argentina, and one from California, and they were both wonderful. And then we have blackberry brandy to go with our cake for dessert.
Nice.
Everything was great.
Very good. All right. Well, you heard it here, folks. Another success. Well, that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Also, I wanted to wish all you mothers out there happy Mother's Day. Hope you guys enjoyed your day. Definitely got some big things planned along the road, and I want to take you guys on that journey with me. So, do awesome. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Leave a like. Turn on that notification bell. Paching! Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now, time for the outro. In 3, 2, 1. Now a singles number called Rufus and Jim by Rufus and Jim.
Hi, everybody. Hi, fans. I'm Rufy the dog. Take it away, Rufy. Oh, I am a dog. I am a dog. I like to go around and sniff on the ground. I like to find a tree, and that's where I be. I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I'm Rufy the dog. I got to be on the tree. I'm Rufy, the dog. I'm Rufy, the dog.
Okay, that was our outro song. Thank you very much. Have a good night, everybody.